Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 2 algebra. We are going to say exercise 2.1 problem number 5 x minus 2 by x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square. Okay, now here you have got your factors, you need not separate anything, but here you have got your repeating factors. Okay, the x minus 1 the whole square, so it comes under these are linear factors, so it comes under type 2. So this is going to be of our type 2. So for type 2, we are going to write these repeating factors once and then power 2. Okay. So x minus 2 by x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square equal to a by the first factor as it is x plus 2 plus b by, for repeating factor, first you write it 1 and then you write it as x minus 1 the whole square. So this is of type 2. Okay. Now this is going to be your first equation. Now for this you are going to take LCM and then you are going to do it as x minus 2 by x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square equal to, you are going to take the common denominator. When you take the common denominator, you take the highest factor, so power 2. Okay, so a into, so here we can use a rough column. I am doing it side at the side, but you have to do it below the paper. Okay, then only it will look neat. Okay, this is for your understanding. I am doing it beside side by side. Okay, so now first term x by a by x plus 2 into our common denominator x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square, x plus 2 gets cancelled, so you will get x minus 1 the whole square. Next for b by x minus 1 into common denominator x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square, x minus 1 power 1 gets cancelled, so for b you get x minus 1 power 1 and x plus 2. And for c by x minus 1 the whole square into our common denominator x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square gets cancelled, so for c you always get only single factor x plus 2. Okay, now you can write this as x plus 2, you can leave out the denominators because they are common, isn't it? So leaving out the denominator, you get LHS x minus 2 equal to a into x minus 1 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 2. This is going to be our second equation. What are our factors? Our factors are x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. We have got only two factors. For the third factor, you are going to put x is equal to 0 into. Okay, now substituting one by one. So substitute x equal to 1 into, so you will get it as 1 minus 2 equal to a into 1 minus 1 the whole square plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 plus 2. Now this becomes 0, so this gets cancelled, this also becomes 0, so b also gets cancelled, so you will get it as minus 1 equal to 3c, which implies c equal to minus 1 by 3 is our value for c. Second factor, substitute x equal to minus 2 into, so you will get it as minus 2 equal to a into minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus b into minus 2 minus 1 plus minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 plus 2. So this becomes 0, b gets cancelled, this becomes 0, c also gets cancelled, you get only a. So minus 4 equal to minus 3 the whole square will give you 9a. Okay, so our a is going to be what is our a is going to be minus 4 by 9 equal to a. Okay, so this is going to be your a value. Now coming to the last value, substitute x equal to 0 into, okay, what is our 2? X minus 2, isn't it? So 0 minus 2 equal to a into x minus 1. So 0 minus 1 the whole square plus b into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 plus 2. So now this becomes minus 2 equal to 1 square is 1, so a. Here minus 1 into 2 is minus 2b and here it is plus 2c. Now for a and c we know the value. So we take b to the other side and 2 to this side, so you will get it as 2b equal to a plus 2c plus 2. So now substituting our values for a, it is minus 4 by 9 and minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So taking LCM, sorry, this is 2. So taking our LCM as 9, you get it as minus 4 minus 6 plus 9 2s are 18. Here it is 2b. Okay, so our answer is going to be, it is 10, so 8. Okay, so 8 by 9 equal to 2b. Cancel by this, you get 4 times, which implies our b equal to 4 by 9. So we have got the answers for A, B and C. For A it is minus 4 by 9 and for C it is minus 1 by 3. So we are going to substitute these three values in 1. Okay, substituting A, B and C in 1. What is our 1? X minus 2 by, first factor is x plus 2. Okay, x plus 2 into x minus 1 the whole square is equal to, it is x minus 1 the whole square, isn't it? Yes. Okay, equal to, what is our A? Minus 4 by 9 into x plus 2 plus 4 by 9 into x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 the whole square. So this is going to be our final answer. We have factorized this term and resolved into partial fractions. Okay, so this is our final answer. Thank you.